This is how I make a quick and simple lasagna. I hope you enjoy it. You'll need a lasagna pan, a big bowl and spoon, a skillet, and these ingredients. You can pause here to read them or check the description or comments for the list. First, you want to brown up the meat. If you like spinach with it, you can add some. I don't like it by itself, but it does add a nice meaty flavor to the lasagna. If you put too much spinach, it doesn't turn out as good, so find out what you prefer. The amount I added here was actually way too much. More like half to a third that amount is good. I also add some chopped onions to this. Put a cover on the pan and cook this up on low heat until it's browned, stirring it enough to keep it from sticking to the pan. While that's cooking, mix up your other filling in a big bowl. That's your cottage cheese, 2/3 of the shredded mozzarella, 2 eggs, some parmesan, parsley, salt, pepper, and oregano to taste, and then mix all this up while your meat's cooking. Once the meat is browned, add a jar of spaghetti sauce. Mix all this up and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Start preheating your oven to 375. Now you're ready to put it all together into layers. Scoop some of the meat into a thin layer on the bottom of the pan. Add 1 layer of noodles. With the rest of the ingredients, you're going to put it into layers like this, and then cover the top with the 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese that you held back. Cover the whole thing with foil. You want to let it stick up so the cheese doesn't stick to it, and then put it in the oven for about an hour. After the hour's up, remove the foil and cook it for about another 10 minutes or so to finish up the cheese on the top. And that's it. You want to leave it out for a while to let it cool down before cutting it and serving it.